To transfer cryptocurrencies such as Solana or Polygon from a Robinhood account to a Phantom wallet, start by preparing the Robinhood account. Enable crypto transfers by opening the Robinhood app, tapping the account icon, and selecting the crypto option from the menu. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify identity and set up two-factor authentication if needed. This process may take up to 5 business days. Once the account is verified and crypto transfers are enabled, obtain the Phantom wallet address by opening the Phantom wallet app, selecting the Receive button, and copying the address. Then, open the Robinhood app, navigate to the cryptocurrency section, and search for the specific cryptocurrency to be transferred. Select the same cryptocurrency that was chosen in the Phantom wallet and proceed to the Send option. Enter the amount to be transferred. Click Continue, and then enter the wallet address manually. Review the transfer summary, confirm the details, and click Transfer. The cryptocurrency will then be transferred from Robinhood to the Phantom wallet. This process links the Robinhood account to the Phantom wallet, allowing for efficient cryptocurrency transfers.